Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to send a video note on WhatsApp using the latest version of the app. Whether you want to share a quick moment, show your expression, or record a short message, this feature makes it simple and fun. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest update so you can access all the newest features. Once the app opens, choose the chat where you want to send your video note. It can be an individual conversation or a group chat wherever you'd like to share your message. Now, look at the text field where you normally type messages. Next to it, you'll see a small camera icon. Instead of tapping it once, press and hold the camera icon. The moment you hold it down, your camera will turn on and start recording. You'll see a live preview of yourself, just like recording a selfie video. Keep holding the camera button while you record your message. You can speak naturally or show whatever you want to share. There's no need to rush, just make it genuine and personal. When you're ready to send, simply release your finger. The video will instantly be sent as a video note right inside the chat. It's that simple. No complicated steps, no extra settings to change. Just hold, record, and release. Your friends will receive your video note automatically, and they can tap it to watch right away without leaving the chat. This feature is perfect for when typing feels too long or when you want your emotions to come through better than plain text. It adds a personal touch that makes everyday chats more expressive and real.